Welcome to Fascia Masters Q&A with D&Q, episode 26. How does block therapy benefit the posture of the youth?
Hi there, my name is Deanna Hansen. I'm a certified athletic therapist and the founder of Fluid Isometrics and Block Therapy.
And my name is Quinn Castellane. I'm the VP of Block Therapy and the lead block therapist.
For years now, my focus has been observing people's postures, and what is really in my face is the posture of the youth and how different it is from when I was young. It's really alarming to a degree, not to sound scary, but the collapse from being in front of technology is creating a different posture. And as a result, they're already aging a lot faster than my generation.
Right.
So, for the 18-year-old that has a dowager hump already, or for the tall, slender girl that already has a muffin top, that is telling us, compared to when I was in my teens, that things have changed dramatically. And we're seeing issues increasing at an alarming rate as well. So it's really important and crucial that we get to the youth today so that they can understand how to open up their bodies, connect back to their breath, and be able to live a long and healthy life. And you started with me when you were 18, and as much as, being your aunt, I was there for you growing up. This was when you really started diving into this practice. So 5 years later, you are such an exemplary example of what posture should be.
Right.
And how did you used to feel from all the years of hockey and compression?
Well, that's even when I was in bodybuilding as well. So it's hockey, bodybuilding, not conscious of my posture. You don't even think about it because we're not taught posture. And posture is one of the most important components for overall health and well-being. So I was mad. I was pretty angry as an 18-year-old, and it's because I was compressed, I was collapsed, my cells were collapsed, they were compressed, they were mad, which resulted in me being angry. And then what I would do is go to the gym or play hockey, which is actually gonna create more density in my tissue, which is gonna block more blood and oxygen flow to cells. So the way I was growing was narrow and bulky. I was narrow, my shoulders were very, very hunched. I had awful shoulders my entire life, and I was very collapsed. So once I started doing block therapy, I completely opened up, and it's not like I stopped bodybuilding, I just have a completely new understanding and view of bodybuilding and weight training. And it's called bodybuilding because you're building your body, but it's not like I'm going in there and I'm trying to be the biggest guy in the world. I'm trying to be the healthiest guy in the world. And that's exactly what this has done for me.
And we're also seeing at an alarming rate scoliosis increasing in the youth. I'm seeing it all the time. We actually have a scoliosis program, and I'm working with a lot of teenagers with scoliosis. And we went last year and we saw the remake of the Stephen King movie It.
Right.
And it was so funny because this movie was originally made in the 80s, and I remember watching it when I was a teenager. And then here we are watching the movie, and it was pretty much the same movie with 80s hairstyles, 80s fashion, but postures of today. So I was really seeing this on screen, and we came back here and we pulled up the original, and it was completely different, the postures. So again, things have changed, and we want to make sure that the youth today are moving forward in a healthy direction because that's the future of the people and the planet. So it's really important that we teach our kids how to use our bodies properly, how to breathe properly, and we even have a kids program. So if this is something that you see in your children, this is something that you should pay attention to now. We're having great results with the work. It's simple to do. It's just a matter of doing it, but the results are there.
And the results are very fast for kids too because you're young. It doesn't give you that time for your tissue to compress as fast. So this is such a fast, effective solution. We're seeing kids even in person, and I'm blown away from where they were to where they are now. And I'm talking pretty young, like 7 to 12-ish. So if they can do it, anybody can do it. And that's what that's really proven that point to me.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
Great. Well, how can people find us?
So please visit unblockyourbody.com. I'll have the link below, and then that will get you started with this journey. Again, if you're wanting to get your kids involved with block therapy, that's still the perfect start. Join our private Facebook community so you can ask questions and just get involved with us. And we would love to have you join us. So again, if you have any questions for us, please use the hashtag AskBlockTherapy. Other than that, we'll see you guys next week.
Breathe and believe.